A massive political storm has erupted in Karnataka over a shocking statement made against Rashmika Mandana. A powerful MLA has openly stated that the actress must be taught a lesson, sparking outrage across the country. But what exactly led to this controversy? And why is the Kodawa community demanding security for Rashmika? The truth behind this explosive controversy is far more intense than it seems. Let's dive into the full story. According to reports, Karnataka Congress MLA Ravi Kumar Govda Ganika is at the center of a major controversy after making a statement about Rashmika Mandana that many found threatening. The MLA reportedly said that Rashmika must be taught a lesson for not attending a state event. His comments have sparkled nationwide debate, and Rashmika's fans, along with the Kodawa community, are demanding immediate action for her safety. Facing immense backlash, the MLA later tried to clarify his remarks, saying he meant life lessons, not actually harm. He told I did not mean to attack her. I just wanted to remind her to respect the state that nurtured her. However, the damage was already done, and people started questioning his true intentions. So, what triggered this shocking statement? Reports suggest that Rashmika declined an invitation to attend the International Film Festival in Karnataka, which angered Govada. The MLA pointed out that despite starting her career with the blockbuster Kannada film Kirki Party, Rashmika had reportedly distanced herself from the Kannada industry. Adding fuel to the fire, some unverified reports ever claimed that Rashmika said, I don't know where Karnataka is and I don't have time. However, there is no official statement from Rashmika confirming this. The controversy intensified as political leaders and social groups started weighing in on the issue. What started as a verbal attack quickly escalated into a serious security concern. The Kodawa National Council, of which Rashmika is a member, expressed deep concerns about her safety. They even submitted a formal request to Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwar, urging them to provide security for Rashmika. KNC President N.U. Nachappa strongly condemned the MLA's remark, stating that Rashmika has earned her success through hard work and talent and should not be harassed for her personal choices. The community emphasized that no one should be forced to conform to other expectations. Meanwhile, Ravi Kumar Govda has refused to apologize, maintaining that these words were misunderstood. But the question remains, was this just a miscommunication or was it a veiled threat? The entire incident has sparked a huge debate about freedom of choice and whether celebrities owe loyalty to their home states. What do you think? Should Rashmika Mandana have attended the event? Do you think politicians should interfere in an actress's personal choices? Or is this just another unnecessary controversy? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive updates. Until next time, stay informed, stay aware.